Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Respectable the organizing community for the 2023 Global Symposium on Education Innovation. Academia from all over the world that attended this symposium. Ladies and gentlemen, first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Ade Rizka Nur Astari. I am a lecturer of Syria Economic College, or called as Bengkulu, Stisnu Bengkulu, Indonesia. My research area are human resource management in education, Islamic education, and education management. In this very great occasion, I'd like to share my research study by virtual presentation because I cannot attend the symposium in Serang, Banten. As we know, to maintain the quality of human resource organized need effective human resource management, HRM. HRM is the use of a number of individuals to a self-organization. Mandi 2008, pedagogical competence according to Ferenczi 2020, is basically the ability to manage the learning process, including understanding the characteristics of student, understanding learning theory, mastery of educational learning, perception, and curriculum development. However, according to Hakim et al., 2021, the pedagogic competence of teaching staff in the area of the COVID-19 pandemic experienced drastic change in the world of education, the change in learning from face-to-face to online learning, and again, change again to a limited face-to-face model, and all this action were carried on individually, quickly, and all parents are encouraged to have a adaptive attitude. However, according observation and several relevant students, the actual condition is that lecturer experience difficult in limited face-to-face learning, such as difficulty managing the learning process, understanding students' characteristic, applying learning theory, development curriculum, evaluation learning outcome, and difficult development student potential. That's why the objective of this research was to find out the form of cognitive pedagogic competence of lecturer in limited face-to-face learning at the Islamic University in Bengkulu, and to find on the design of leadership effort in implementing human resource management and its relationship to the pedagogical competence of lecturer in limited face-to-face learning at the Islamic University Bengkulu. In this research, I also cite several other relevant studies, including Werner-Ninsi 2021 saw that increasing teacher competency in implementing online learning can be done through implementation online learning training activities. Suryadi 2016 paid attention to 6 systems including HR planning system, recruitment system, selection and placement, training and development system, evaluation system, compensation system, and supervision system. Anternisi 2016, her research result conclude that human resource development management is implemented in 4 things: planning, organizing, actuating, and controlling. Rahman et al. 2019 conclude that lecture pedagogic competence has a significant effort on student learning motivation. About the research method, this study qualitative methods with a descriptive analysis approach. This research describes the actual situation of the phenomenon of the object under study compared with existing theories. Meanwhile, for the research subject, this study collects data from 10 management leaders in the Faculty of Education at an Islamic University in the Bengkulu City, consisting of the Dean, Deputy Dean, Permanent Secretary, and Head of Study Program. For data collecting technique, I use interview, observation, and documentation. Related to the data analysis technical, this research uses data reduction, data presentation, and drawing conclusion. Now we will discuss the research result. The first of which is related to lecturer pedagogic competence and focus and student understanding based on the result of observation and interview with informed in this research. Important research were often which are the mentor lecturer in terms of understanding student not only from the perspective of teaching and learning activities, but also from the technical and non-technical side. And this record the teacher lecturer must also be able to understand the student from various aspects. Next is about design learning, showing the result that the steps and preparation of learning during a limited face-to-face period are important, but this does not change in terms of learning material, but a rapid change in learning method and approach that's adapt to limited face-to-face regulation based on circular rector. The third is implemented learning, where it's thrown out that all learning implementation by lecturer vary according to the lection on interpretation and understanding and condition. This limited face-to-face learning is a combination of online and offline learning, which still has to comply with health protocols. To carry out online learning, lecturers use many applications such as Siacard, WhatsApp, Zoom Meeting, Google Classroom, and other application of platform. The fourth point is related to evaluation, where lecturers carry out assessment by looking at student abilities in career out assessment, min test, and final test. Apart from that, many teaching lecturers also complete the many and the evaluation result a student in limited face-to-face learning and the scarce. The last finding in this section is potential development. The lecturer have made a effort to develop the potential of the student, although it has not been very detailed and maximal supervised. However, this was carried on in a measured manner because the majority of enforced agreed that the potential development process will be very important for improve the quality of the teaching and learning process during a period of limited face-to-face learning. The next research is about human resource management efforts. Where to carry out this task, the leaders in the Education Faculty and Islamic University in the city of Bengkulu, they carry out the steps of planning, organizing, briefing, monitoring and evaluation, and human resource development and training. So regarding to the pedagogical cognitive competence of learner in face-to-face learning is limited to the Faculty of Education at the Islamic University in Bengkulu City, Indonesia. Pedagogic competence of lecturer as stand by Hilma 2070 is the ability to manage student learning, where lecturers are required to be able to prepare learning plans and program wheels, and be able to choose and use appropriate media and learning methods. Meanwhile, for the leadership effort in implementation, human resource management, and its relation to the pedagogical competence of lecturer in face-to-face learning are limited to the Faculty of Education at the Islamic University in Bengkulu City, Indonesia. The research results show that there are opportunities to develop lecturer pedagogic competence in limited face-to-face learning, talk and education, training, education seminar, and IT mastery, because the aim of HR management is to utilize education staff, lecturer effectively and efficiency to achieve optimal result, but still in plans conditional. Mulyasa 2014. The reform from the result and discussion of this research, it can be concluded that the pedagogical competency include 5 points, namely 1, understanding student in depth, 2, design learning, 3, implementing and organizing learning, 4, designing and implementing learning evaluation, 5, development student to actualize their potential. Meanwhile, the efforts made are the preparation of HR lecturer planning. In Wise case, the faculty has created a planning program track academic meetings, semester, and evaluation. Well, thanks all my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention, and indeed for this great opportunity. We as education always believe that education makes the world a better place. See you in another academic forum. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.